wow video to celebrate all those things you've been sending in on our Facebook post. We've been so proud of everybody at home doing their amazing learning, and it's been really nice for me and Mrs. Riddell to be able to see our wow posts of those extra special things that you've sent in to us. So each week on a Friday, we'll be pulling them together into a video so that all of you can see us celebrating your wows with you. So this week, we've got last week's and this week, so we've got a nice big long list of all the amazing things we've been doing. So I'm going to share those with you now. So Eva Bishop, you have worked super hard on your handwriting practice this week, and we are all very proud of you. Darcy, in class 2, you've been having lots of fun learning about the double F sound and the three little pigs, and you've even finished your day with a muddy walk across the fields. That sounds like fun. Paisley, you've been working really hard with your handwriting and reading. Keep it up. Lyra, you've done a great job concentrating on your home learning, and also you had some exciting news on Friday night last week. Your little baby brother was born, and Mum and Dad are really proud of you being a big sister, giving him lots of cuddles and helping out at home. What lovely news we've had. Lexi, in class 9, you've completed all of your work and Mum is very proud of you. Lola, in class 6, you've had a fabulous week at home with all of your home learning, keeping it up, so well done Lola. Lexi, in class 4, you've done amazing this week. When you missed a day, you even doubled up on it and did 2 days in one, so well done Lexi. Erin, in class 4, you've done amazing with your maths, sorting out the numbers that silly mummy had muddled up, and finding the groups with more or fewer items and making those groups equal too, so well done Erin. Perhaps you're after Miss Hall's job. Isla, you've done amazing with your schoolwork, and you've been helping your little sister Erin to spell her name, and you even asked Mummy to teach you how to tie your own hair up. We can't wait till we can see that in school again. Leah, in class 9, you haven't given up, you've kept going with all your work, so well done Leah, Mum is very proud. And Calvin, in class 6, you've tried really, really hard with all of your work as well and been taking it all very seriously, so well done Calvin. Frankie, in class 5, Mum says you've worked really, really hard, and you've even worked really hard on your birthday, so well done Frankie, and a big happy birthday from all of us at Rowan Field. And last but not least for this week, Cheraya's Mum says you have been making amazing progress with your sentences and your spellings, and you've also been using your sounds for the week and spotted words whilst the news was on, so well done Cheraya's. Wow, how nice it is to hear about all those extra things you've been doing at home. Keep it up everybody, send us through your wow posts next week, and we can't wait to share them again with you on Friday. See you soon.